Where's Posie?
You lost Posie?
She's hiding out there because
Am I sneezing?
Art sneezed really, really loud and it freaked her out.
Posie, I'm so sorry, Posie. I'm sorry.
She's hiding out there. Hang on. Posie, come on. It's okay, come here. Good girl. It's okay. He's not going to sneeze again, right?
Well, I mean, if I could hand out a guarantee, I could, but I'll to be quite honest.
You're a good girl. Yeah.
Yeah.
Poor girl. She's scared.
She's gonna hang with us. She's got, girl balls. Yeah, hello. Look at Luna. At least she knows when to leave me. Oh, my baby. Oh, the boo 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 boo. And she loves me like crazy because I love her like crazy. I just love her. I do.
You're a pretty little possum. Posie, come here.